right, what up, y'all? Hey, we rolling, going to Cars and Coffee out here at it's the Champaign County Cars and Coffee. We rolling in Mahomet, Illinois. Me and my son Coco. Y'all done seen him on the channel plenty of times.
What up?
You know, he always with me. Hey, we rolling out here the first time. Y'all gonna get a slight introduction to Blue Magic. Y'all get to see him out here once we get a parking spot, but we'll make the next video about him. Right now, yeah, we just cruising. So hope we find some nice whips out here, meet some cool people, and if not, at least we got coffee. All right, here we go, y'all. Okay, just pulled up. Got an Audi RS6 with the ceramics on it. Oh, you definitely have to come over and park by it. I don't know if you can see it. That was nice. 2021. He took damn good care of it. Nice.
Extended leather, which I think is more on the dash, more on the
Exposed carbon fiber. I like that dash. It just goes, wraps all the way around. Oh yeah. This is, you know, got the two panoramic.
Back seat is still spacious.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's tons of room back there.
Yeah.
Hear that supercharger whistle. Supercharger, yeah, you can hear it. That must sound nice. That big old truck. All right, man, everybody's starting to roll in. It's like their coffee is kicking in. Just some superchargers, Pontiacs just pulled up, Mustangs. Oh man, so the weathers look like it's gonna hold off, so Hurricane Elan is not gonna stop us. So hopefully more cars don't get scared and come out today. We got the GT500. Ooh, got the slick. Got Coco out here. You out there getting them shots. Man, this mug ready for the track. Ooh. Z06. Ooh, them tires split. Todd's car, Mustang GT. And then there's my baby. Like I say, the next video we'll talk more about him, but there he is. That's Blue Magic. All right.
So I'm Tanner. This is my 2020 Toyota Supra. So up front, we got the P-Tune G30 900 top mount turbo kit.
Okay.
Making a little over 600, around 20 PSI boost. Coming around here, all carbon, infinite work, 3 deep dish. And then coming around back, we got the 4-point roll cage.
Nice.
With the Airlift 3P air suspension with the dual compressor upgrade.
Sweet.
Bought, not built.
Bought, not built. And how much horsepower are you pushing?
A little over 600 right now, keeping it conservative, reliable. I mean, it's more a weekend warrior. I don't track it or anything like that.
Yeah,
so.
Just have fun with it on the weekend. All right, Tanner, appreciate you for showing us your car, man.
Yes, sir, appreciate you, brother.
We got the Supra. Nice. Got some flags on it. Nice. Yeah, that went all the way down. Is that what popped that fender out a little bit?
What's that?
Is that what popped that fender out a little bit? Like when you dropped it down low?
Oh, no, that's how it comes like
that.
that.
That's how, okay.
Yeah, when you close the hood, you can see it's seamless.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. Damn, that's dropped all the way down. Yeah. Yeah. Did you put those lights on, or it come with those lights?
It comes with these lights.
Those lights? Laser lights? Nice. Bad. Very nice. Tank filling up. It's hard to find these.
Especially this one modified.
Yeah, it's right. Already modified. Oh, I like the grill on it too. I didn't even see how the grill looks on there.
Yeah, I got lucky when I found this.
Yeah, you did.
Very, very lucky.
Was it you bought it off the owner or a dealership?
Dealership, actually.
What?
Yeah, apparently the dude who had just sold it ended up getting a girl pregnant, so.
Car gotta go.
Yep.
Baby shit ain't gonna fit in there, man.
Oh, hell no.
Dang, my bad. I thought it was a Porsche when I saw a Mustang. I know. I said Porsche. That's a Cobra with a kit on it. When I saw that wide body kit on it. That's nice. Biker boys. Biker boys. I can't be mad at them. I'm part of that community too. Not on the Harley. I don't be acting that crazy. No, I'll be chilling out there. Yeah, I'll be chilling. I be wanting them to see me on that. But on the sport bike days, yeah, it was.
I remember the sport bike days.
Little crazy. Little crazy.
Get my dad in my life.
There you go. That Mustang got that kit. It's crazy. That's why I didn't know what it was coming around the corner.
I usually know it's a Mustang by like those back louvers.
Yeah, but he got it. The back. Look at there's a Porsche.
There it is.
Some rev matches. They'll be coming around.
Yeah, I think I saw the RS5.
Oh, I know, yeah. That's gonna be on the next video. I just got a little tease on it. Oh yeah. There we go. GT4 RS. Yeah, Champaign County got some whips. Just got to get them out.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is sweet.
That's
oh, that paint job.
Yeah, that's for getting out of anything.
And you know what?
This is kind of like the Shelby I saw down in Springfield, but a wide body kit.
Shock's really good.
Is that what that is? Yeah.
Carbon fiber wing.
Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet.
Pretty much the same thing.
Man.
Not a lot
So,
You gotta have the 3 lights on like the Raptor.
so who painted this?
Crispin Auto and Grand Tour.
Okay, and ran too. Okay.
They do all the body work.
And the body work. Nice.
Body stuff.
Okay. Oh, we got the Germans. Got the Porsche GT4 RS.
You're right there.
The carbon fiber hood. The ceramics. The BMW M4. The Mazda. Oh, nice. Got the Kia Stinger. Got the Macan. Oh, that's the Cayenne. Another Cadillac V. Got the crazy Army truck. I think they stopped making those a year or two ago.
Oh, that's recent.
Yeah, they just stopped making these. The big braces. Oh yeah, there's a little some turbo. Oh, nice. All right. This Kia Stinger with some upgrades. I like that. That's clean. That's clean. This skank. I like that. Smell that exhaust. Ain't no mufflers on that. I smell straight exhaust. Look at this big motor. I gotta get this big old motor in here. Yeah, this big old joker here. Remove before flight. What size motor is it?
Oh, it's stock.
Stock? Okay. stock, okay. I was like, it's just a stock motor?
So it's a
stock block.
It is a stock block.
Okay.
It's a 302 block that I've punched out to a 349 cubic inch engine.
Okay.
I built the motor myself.
Nice.
It's a Scat 9000 series crank.
Okay.
Scat forged I-beam rods, DSS domed pistons.
Yeah.
It's 11.5 to 1 compression. Trick flow, it's their number 3 cam. I don't like using stages, but it's 595 lift on the intake and exhaust, and then 298 degrees of duration. Trick flow aluminum heads, they're the 170s. I've taken the 170s and I've hand ported them to the same size runners as 190s.
Okay.
And then the Holley high ram with a single 750 carburetor on top, and it's still running on pump gas.
Really? Okay.
Yep. On
Just
the
regular 93,
yep,
not E85.
I'm getting ready to put it on E85.
Okay, that's how I wonder.
And then I'm ditching the carburetor and I'm putting mechanical fuel injection on it.
Okay.
So it's a type of fuel injection that requires no electronics, no nothing.
Yeah. Now what about the transmission on this? Did you have to redo all that?
Yep, it's a 5-speed that I've completely built from the ground up myself.
Nice, nice.
On the engine dyno, this put out 512 horsepower at 6,800 RPM and 434 foot-pounds of torque at 54.
Man, what year is this truck?
It's a 90.
90. I thought it was an 80. I said about 88, 80 when you pulled up, but no, it's a 90. So I was wrong because I was looking at the lights. I was like, where'd you find them LED lights? I was like,
I'm gonna have to replace some. The halos on this side are starting to glitch out on me, but
oh, okay. That's
they're like
part
4 years old already at this point.
So you got some time out of it though?
Yeah.
Yep.
But this truck was completely bone stock when I bought it.
Damn.
And everything you've seen done to it, I've done myself. Nice. It was also an automatic when I bought it. I've swapped it to a 5-speed.
Oh, I gotta let me see that.
The first time I built the motor, the first time I built it, it was just a 306.
Yeah.
And that stock automatic did not take that very well.
It didn't like it? No. Blowing it back? It was like jerking?
Second drive, third and fourth turned into neutral and neutral.
Okay, yeah, yep. Like slip.
Yeah, power shifted into third. I was like, okay, that one's gone.
It's too much motor for that transmission.
Yep. So I was like, okay, well, I'm tired of slip, so let's get a tranny that doesn't slip. So went manual.
All right, cool. What's your name, man?
Eric Shelton.
Eric Shelton. Man, thank you for showing us your truck, man.
Absolutely.
This battery, it goes so fast. With the wide body kit, low flow. Send me a video of both of the ones he wants. So this is like Cadillac CTS, and then this is the Cadillac V. You got like the racing tires with it. That's really nice. Look who made it, y'all. Shimani made it. You want to say anything to the camera?
Hi, camera.
She made it, y'all. She actually came out to an event. Pretty soon she can get a sports car. So that all right, so hey, that was Blue Magic's first Cars and Coffee. A lot more to come. Hey, it will be some small upgrades coming. New video will be dropping here soon on Blue Magic. We'll go in and out about it. Gives its little features on it. What you think under the first car show?
I thought it was really cool.
Yeah. She liked the bikes. She liked the cars. She was late though, y'all. So she's gonna have to work on getting up a little earlier. So more to come. Please, if y'all haven't already, click that subscribe button. Check out some of the old videos. But if you want to, leave a like and a comment. I appreciate it. Peace.
I'll follow you and I'll try to get you.